stressors. The adaptogenic properties of noni make it the ultimate smart supplement that takes a personalized approach to safely improve the health and function of the body. Moreover, hundreds more studies confirm the healthful properties of the iridoids found so abundantly in noni and all TNI products. But perhaps most essential are the human clinical studies that have been performed on Tahitian noni products. I'm talking about real human clinical studies, not unverified science or simple petri dish studies done in a lab. Human clinicals demonstrate the potential action of an agent in the body, while non-human laboratory studies only suggest that a potential benefit might occur for the human body. Well, what does that do for you? The human clinical studies on Tahitian noni products demonstrate that the wellness-promoting properties of the noni fruit and plant are preserved in Tahitian noni and passed on to you, the consumer. Some of the truly remarkable benefits of Tahitian noni confirmed by real science include cardiovascular protection, antioxidant support, joint health support, enhanced energy and endurance, immune support, protection of the skin, and many others. Plus, numerous prestigious scientific and health journals have published human clinical studies on Tahitian noni products. So, what's the right amount of iridoids for you or your family? The fact is, one size does not fit all. TNI offers you a choice. Whether you're stressing your body with exercise, taking care of a busy family, or just looking to take advantage of the exciting health properties so abundant in all TNI products, you can choose the right size. The unique bioactive benefits of noni are real, and millions of people have experienced them in their own lives. Tahitian noni has created a line of bioactive beverages with the goal of supplying you and your family with the amount of iridoids that your body needs. More than 100 million. 42.